Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 39, class 10th, science. As you know that your chapter carbonates compound is going on. In this worksheet we'll discuss about the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. The saturated hydrocarbons are those which are connected with each other, the carbon atom with single bond. Unsaturated are connected with double or triple bond, each carbon atom either forming double bond with the other carbon atom or by forming triple bond. If it is forming double bond, it is called alkenes. If it is forming triple, it is called alkynes. The general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, while the alkenes is CnH2n and alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. The examples you can see methane, ethane and propane, while alkenes is ethene and propene. Ethine is C2H2 and propane is. You can see the electron dot structure. If the overlapping is showing 2 electrons, then it is single bond. If overlapping is showing 4 electrons, it is double, and if overlapping is showing 6, it is triple. Now next, chain structures. As the carbon compound methane, ethane and propane, the chain structure is formed with the single bond. So a long chain can be formed with these. These belong to the alkane family. When we say branch structures and ring structures, branch are actually we are talking of isomers or isomerism, in which the compound is having the same molecular formula but the structure is different. You can see in the butane there are 4 carbons and here also 4, but the structurally they are different. So such case are known as isomeric forms. We can say butane has 2 isomeric forms. When we say ring structures, they are arranged in the form of ring. First and the last carbon join with each other, like in cyclohexane C6H12. So this first is joined with the last one, and because of that the formula is C6H12. In case of unsaturated like benzene, there are alternate double bond. You can see from the figure also that after one bond there is a single bonding, then double, then single and then double. The formula is C6H6. Then the talk of functional group. What are functional group? Functional groups are actually the different halogens can be there, oxygen can be there, nitrogen and sulfur, which replaces one hydrogen, and by replacing this one hydrogen they confer specific properties to the compounds, and because of which the new compound which is formed having the new properties. So different functional group we can say halo group. It is heteroatom chlorine bromine, and heteroatom oxygen can be alcohol, aldehyde, ketone and carboxyl. You can see the formula of all these functional group on the sideways. Let's see the question answers. Draw the electron and bond structure of pentane and propene. You can see pentane C5H12 and propene is C3H6. Next is electron dot structure of ethane. Bond formation 7 bonds. They are joined with each other with single bond. Then cyclopentane C5H10, and it is shown with the structure also. Next is difference between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. You can see from the figure, saturated with single bonding carbon-carbon, unsaturated double and triple bonding. Last is what are functional group. Replacing of heteroatom, and the groups containing these confer specific properties to the compound regardless of the length and nature of the carbon chain, and hence are called functional group. So alcohol OH, aldehyde CHO. You can also write ROH. R is here alkyl group, and RCHO is aldehyde. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe.